In this video, we will walk you through how to use our belt guide. The belt guide can be viewed and downloaded from our website. As you go through the steps in the guide, fill out the worksheet answering the questions so you can determine your catalog number. Then you can place your order with your preferred supplier. The worksheet can be found on the last page of our belt guide. The belt guide has 10 questions you will need to answer. The first one is which belt style is right for you, flat panel or new form. Then you choose your elastic choice, your color choice, white or beige, your stoma location, left or right, and your girth measurement in line with the stoma. Make sure you measure it as shown in this picture here. The sixth step has you choose between 7 different width options for flat panel or new form. Then you will have to provide your pouch manufacturer and pouch number, or you can choose between the belt ring opening options we have listed here. Depending on your belt style, you can choose a standard or custom opening placement. In the 9th step, you may choose to add a prolapse support flap. Finally, the 10th step covers optional custom options such as an auxiliary belt and custom placement. Once you have completed and checked off all of the boxes on our worksheet, you can go ahead and take a picture of the worksheet and send it to us directly through email. You can send the email to info@newhope.com. Make sure you put your name and belt worksheet as the subject line. Now you have found your belt catalog number.